Oh, hello, and welcome to my kitchen. The sun is shining here in Chicago, so I want to get outside and get in it. But before I do that, I thought I'd do a quick video about making some delicious chicken breasts that you can use for salads, sandwiches, wraps, and whatever. So let's get cooking.
Scott Duff, cooking stuff, Scott Duff, Scott Duff, cooking stuff, Scott Duff, Scott Duff, Duff, cooking stuff, blam.
All right, mad love to Jamie Schreiner Biddle for making that delicious song for me. And we're gonna make something delicious for you right now. So everybody has boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You know, maybe, well, you should. They're not very tasty by themselves, which is why you gotta give them some flavor. So I have hacked up one gigantic mutant chicken breast into little tiny parts, which I'm gonna marinate in a very simple marinade. And it would have helped if I got a whisk to do this first. Ow, I just hit my hand. That hurt. Okay, we're gonna make a simple marinade. That's great for salads. You can just put onto a leaf green salad, or you can put it into make chicken salad out of it, or you can put it into a wrap. I like to actually make dino wraps, is what I think the kids call them, when you take collard green leaves and use them to roll them up. What? Who knew? Okay, so I've got one giant chicken breast hacked up into tiny little pieces, which means it's gonna cook really fast, but it needs to get some flavor. So we are going to put in a squirch Dijon mustard, big ol' squeezy juice of some lemons, half a lemon, a little bit of Worcestershire, just a couple of dashes. I got some dried thyme here, so just a little bit of that, because dried herbs are much more concentrated flavor than fresh herbs. So just a little teeny tiny bit. And then I'm going to grate a clove of garlic right in there. A little salt, a little more salt, some pepper. Just gonna whisk in probably about a couple glugs of olive oil. Simple marinade, dumping all of this chicken right in there with the super clean hands, because you know I'll wash. Give that a toss. Let this sit for about an hour. You don't want to let it sit any longer than 2 hours, because the lemon juice will start cooking it and it'll make your meat tough. So when you're done with this, you just kind of drain it all out there, throw it into a skillet, and it cooks up in about 7 to 10 minutes, pretty quickly. And then you can throw it on a salad, like I said, all that other stuff. So marinate, drain, cook in a skillet with a little bit of oil, and you got tasty toppings for your salad, or stuffings for your wraps. There we are. And right now, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wash my gross hands.